In this video, I want to show you the brake fluid reservoir on your Honda Civic. So once you open the hood, the engine will be here, the battery will be over here, and the reservoir for the brake fluid is right here. It has a yellow top. Unscrew it, all right, put this aside, and it's important to never overfill this reservoir. And I know it's hard to see, but over here you're gonna have a line that you should never go above. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to get the liquid. Now this reservoir, the cap has a rubber and the rubber stayed over here. If it's your case, with a screwdriver, okay, you'll be able to remove it, or with your fingers, okay, and now you can fill it up. Once you're done, put this back and make sure to screw it and hear a click. This is how you know that it's tight and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, again, check my Amazon links if you want to get some fluid from Amazon, and I'll see you in the next video.